Forget everything you think you know about women. It's not money, looks, or charm that attracts them. It's something far deeper. Hidden weaknesses, subconscious triggers that most men miss. What if you could understand the psychological secrets women don't even know they're using against you? Stay tuned, because what you're about to hear will change the way you see attraction forever. Most men spend their lives chasing women with the wrong tools. They believe it's all about money, good looks, or being the charming guy who sweeps them off their feet. But that's a myth. The truth? Women are drawn to something much more subtle. Beneath the surface lies a powerful psychological game, one where emotional triggers, vulnerabilities, and subconscious desires play a key role. Understanding these hidden female weaknesses can not only change the way you attract women, but completely transform your relationships. Take emotional certainty, for instance. Women don't want a man who is unpredictable or emotionally dependent. They crave stability, emotional security. They want someone who remains calm in the storm. If you can exude emotional control, you'll quickly become their anchor. This doesn't mean suppressing your emotions, but rather knowing how to manage them so that you don't crumble when life gets tough. Women aren't looking for another person to stabilize. They want someone strong enough to handle challenges with grace. Then there's the power of distance. Women are subconsciously drawn to what they can't have. If you're too available, too eager, your value drops. But if you create an air of mystery, something she can't fully grasp, you'll ignite a desire to chase. It's not manipulation, it's simply the psychology of scarcity. Keep a part of yourself out of reach, and she'll never stop wondering when she'll see you next. Another key psychological trigger is your presence. A deep, controlled voice and a powerful aura can make women gravitate towards you without you saying a word. Studies show that men with deeper voices are perceived as more confident and dominant. Combine that with strong body language, standing tall, making eye contact, moving with purpose, and you become irresistible. Now, here's where it all comes together. What if I told you that the true key to unlocking attraction lies in mastering just one thing? Walking away. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But here's the shocking truth. Women are drawn to men who don't need them. They crave a man who can walk away without a second thought. This shows ultimate confidence and self-worth. When you're willing to leave, even in the face of rejection or disinterest, you become a man who cannot be controlled. Women are programmed to test your strength constantly. They'll challenge your opinions, create little conflicts, or even pull away just to see how you react. If you fold, if you show weakness, they'll lose respect. But when you respond calmly, with certainty, when you show that your value doesn't hinge on her approval, you pass the test. And passing her test doesn't just make you a challenge, it makes you a man she can't let go of. But there's one more thing that changes everything: purpose. Women aren't looking for a man who's just focused on them. They want a man with a mission, a man who has his own goals, his own direction. When your life isn't centered around chasing her, but around chasing something greater, you become magnetic. It's not about looking busy, it's about having a purpose that drives you every single day. That's what makes you irresistible. Master these hidden psychological triggers and you'll become the man women can't resist. It's not about pretending to be someone else or playing games. It's about understanding the deep subconscious forces that guide attraction and using them to your advantage. Don't chase, don't beg. Be the man who is in control, with a mission and an emotional foundation that can't be shaken. That's the real power.